body. Today is a big, exciting, terrifying day. Today is the 10K that I have been talking about for a while now, that I've been kind of training for the past, I don't know how many months, like 3 months. I am running it this morning, wearing my Juicy Couture citrus leggings to keep me feeling happy. But I'm really excited. It's going to be a massive like milestone achievement if I'm able to run the entire thing. I've done multiple 5Ks. I've done an 8K which was completely flat, so this is definitely the biggest challenge yet. But I'm gonna run it with Liz. We're gonna try our best and my goal is to finish it. So Tim was supposed to be doing it with me, but he's hurt his back, so he's not doing it anymore. So it's just the two of us, and Tom's doing a half marathon for fun, which is just outrageous. Oh, got in a tunnel. This is nice. Yep, hello. I said I would share this like little moment with you guys, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Excuse my crazy eyebrows. I got them tinted yesterday and they are so dark. They'll fade, but I got it for traveling. But they will hopefully fade in time. So yeah, wish us luck and see you on the other side, I guess.
I didn't stop once. I ran the whole way.
How do you feel?
Obviously, I love you.
We've got our lovely physios from.
You're right.
Guys, my goal was an hour and 15 and I did it in like an hour and 5.
Smashed it.
I'm so happy, and I felt like I could have kept going. I don't feel that bad. I can't believe it.
Hooray.
I had a bit of a cry. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm so proud of myself. I ran the whole way. I didn't walk. I walked 4 paces when they gave me a cup because I spilled it all down myself when I tried to run and drink at the same time. But I'm not counting that because I didn't need to walk. So my goal for next time is under an hour. I'm so happy. Just need to wait for Liz and then Tom. Oh boy, wow. Yes, Liz! Woo! There she is! She did it!
So that's pretty good going. I think we did deserve a high five. Well done. Who's here today supporting you?
I've got Cara, Liz, my boyfriend Tim, and Elliot.
Well done. Why are they not running? Why are they not running?
They've all got their own reasons.
Is it called lazy?
Yep!
How old are you? 22. 22, fit, having the time of your life. Are you going to do another 10K?
Yeah, definitely.
Did you do it?
I did.
Good.
Believe it or not, shocker.
Well done, Emma.
Woo!
This could be you.
Woo! Go, mate!
Great job! Free massages.
Hi guys, so yeah, I finished the 10K this morning. I've just come home to this insanity. I'm packing, but now we're actually about to go to Bill's. We're going out for a lovely lunch and I'm gonna eat all the food. I'm gonna eat whatever I want and I can't wait to treat myself and just eat some good food because I'm proud of myself. I've earned it. I feel good. Tom ran a half marathon like what? That's my goal for next year, so we'll see how that goes. But I actually feel like I could have kept running. Isn't that insane? I'm so happy. Okay guys, I'm home and I'm gonna have to end this vlog here. I just went for such a lovely lunch with Cara, Lizzie, Tom and Tim. So I had a lovely chicken burger and it was so good. Now I'm in panic mode. I'm packing the rest of my bag, so I'm gonna leave this here. It was a really quick vlog, but I just wanted to document my 10K. I'm so proud of myself for doing it and for finishing it, for running the whole way and for beating my goal by about 10 minutes, which is crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.